Aloha! Here it's Edpuzzle, and this is video gonna show you how you can use Edpuzzle for your content to share with your student, and especially like videos, and you can ask them question when you um, share your videos. And I think if you do it right, if I show you guys right, they cannot skip the question until they answer the question, and the video gonna keep going. Okay, let me show you guys an example here because it's the video that I already had on and I already have questions about it. And I will be moving this somewhere else. And you click on edit, and you can see here, and you can edit it. And but I want to add some more question. You click on questions, and you can play anywhere. Wait, let me play all the way here.
Steps in that direction would be to join the Peace Corps.
Okay, and I'm gonna stop here, and then I'm gonna put like an open-ended question, and I'm gonna ask the student where did where did the professor started his career? Yeah, question, and click on save. Ta-da!
So I did.
And when the student, if I go back and I play it,
Had been
over here,
my forestry profession in a tropical forestry framework. And so for a younger person, one of the best options to begin taking steps in that direction would be to join the Peace Corps. So I did.
see, it stops, and the student has to answer the question. And the student can just click continue, and the video gonna continue. And it's a great way for to check if our student understand the content, and also to check on their understanding, and also to collaborate or to interact with the video. That's it.